Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today we're going to be taking a deep dive into LTCUSD, Litecoin, to analyze the latest news and events, and then look at the technicals to see what it means for Litecoin's future. First, let's talk about the news. Recent headlines have been dominated by Litecoin's integration with PayPal, allowing millions of businesses to accept Litecoin as a payment method. This is a major development for Litecoin, boosting its adoption and potentially leading to increased demand. However, there's also been some negative sentiment surrounding Litecoin's recent price decline. Some analysts believe this may be due to a significant influx of Litecoin supply into circulation ahead of Bitcoin's halving event, which has added pressure to the market. Now, let's switch to the charts. If we look at the daily chart, we can see that Litecoin has been trading in a range for the past few weeks, with a key support level around $62 and resistance around $68. The recent decline brought Litecoin below the support level, but it quickly recovered to test resistance again. This suggests that there is still a strong sense of bullish sentiment among traders, even with the recent negative news. To get a clearer picture of Litecoin's short-term momentum, let's zoom in on the 1-hour chart. Looking at the past 24 hours, we can see a noticeable bullish trend in the 1-hour timeframe. Litecoin has consistently been pushing higher, breaking above several resistance levels. This suggests that the recent price decline may be over and Litecoin is now ready to move higher. However, it's important to remember that the market can be volatile. Therefore, we need to look at the 15-minute chart to get a better understanding of Litecoin's immediate support and resistance levels. This will allow us to see how Litecoin is reacting to short-term price fluctuations. Analyzing the 15-minute chart, we can see that there's a strong resistance level around $65. Litecoin has been bouncing off of this level for the past few hours, suggesting that it's still finding some resistance from traders. This is also where Litecoin has recently stalled. However, we can see that Litecoin has been consistently forming higher lows. This indicates that there's still a strong bullish bias in the short term, but the resistance level suggests that a breakout may be difficult. If Litecoin can break above the resistance level, it could trigger a significant rally, potentially pushing back toward the previous resistance level around $68. This would be a strong signal that the bullish sentiment is back in control. However, if Litecoin fails to break above the resistance level and starts to fall back below $64, it could indicate that the bullish trend is losing steam and Litecoin may fall back to the support level around $62. Overall, the short-term outlook for Litecoin is bullish. The news about PayPal integration is a strong catalyst for Litecoin's future growth, and the charts are showing a strong bullish trend. However, Litecoin is facing some resistance around $65, so we need to keep an eye on how it reacts to this level. If Litecoin can break above the resistance level, it could trigger a significant rally, potentially pushing back toward the previous resistance level around $68. However, if Litecoin fails to break above the resistance level and starts to fall back below $64, it could indicate that the bullish trend is losing steam and Litecoin may fall back to the support level around $62. Let's review the key price levels to watch. $62 is the major support level that Litecoin has held for several weeks. If Litecoin breaks below this level, it could signal a significant shift in sentiment and potentially lead to further declines. On the other hand, $68 is the major resistance level that Litecoin has struggled to break through. A breakout above this level would be a very strong signal that the bullish sentiment is back in control and Litecoin is ready to move higher. In the short term, the resistance level to watch is $65. If Litecoin can break above this level, it could trigger a short-term rally. However, if Litecoin fails to break above this level, it could fall back to the support level around $64. To further validate the potential trends and reversals, keep a close eye on trading volume. A surge in volume on a breakout above a resistance level would be a very bullish signal, while a decrease in volume on a pullback below a support level would be a bearish signal. Finally, it's important to consider the broader market conditions. If the broader cryptocurrency market is experiencing a strong bullish trend, it could provide additional support for Litecoin. However, if the broader market is experiencing a bearish trend, it could put downward pressure on Litecoin. Remember, Technical analysis is just one part of the puzzle. It's important to consider all factors, including news, events, and market sentiment, before making any trading decisions. Stay tuned for more chart analyses, market updates, and trading insights from Explain the Charts. Subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. Until next time, happy trading!